Good morning, teacher. My name is Jocelyn Malo Lozano. I am going to share with you my lesson plan regarding my dream job. In the beginning part, as you can see, my students are going to do exercises on word wall. Here we have the exercises. For example, they are going to do an exercise regarding present simple, places, and adjectives. Then my students are going to see these pictures and they are going to guess the jobs. Now, in the process part. In the process part, my students are going to check the jobs, and as you can see, they are going to make complex sentences using two types of connector, the connector because and the connector but, in order to make complex sentences. And also they are going to add the adjectives. So here we have also. And then they are going to check the information through this exercise on word wall. Then they are going to listen to an audio that I prepared myself, and they are going to complete the chart with the name of the person, the origin, the occupation, and the description. And finally, in the closing part, my students are going to make a video on Flipgrid explaining dream job, and they have to use I want to be, because, or but. Well, they can follow the example below. Hello, my name is Jocelyn. I want to be a teacher because I want to help students to learn. I am creative and organized. And they are going to click on this website and they can record themselves. Okay, thank you so much.